Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to view wishlist on Amazon app. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Amazon, click this option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Viewing your wishlist on the Amazon app is a straightforward and easy process. Remember that your wish list serves as a convenient way to keep track of your products you want to purchase in the future. Obviously, viewing it helps you remember and prioritize these items. Checking your wish list allows you to quickly compare prices of items you are interested in, and of course, in return, it helps you make an informed decisions about when and where to buy. For you to be able to see your wish list here on Amazon app, go down at the bottom right corner of your dashboard where you can see the three horizontal lines or the hamburger menu. Now from here, all you're gonna do is click on your lists. All right, just wait for it to load, and this is gonna be your wish list. Alexa shopping list. And this one is about how to create an Amazon wish list. We have a separate video for that you might want to check in our channel, and of course the Amazon wish list. Now, for example, if you don't have an items here, you might want to, click on the three buttons here, and we have a separate video on how to manage the settings for you to share it with someone else. I'm not going to do that right now, but instead, for example, we're looking for maybe Jordans or JanSport backpack. You see, just click on this specific item. Now, you can choose to add this to your wish list, all right? You see the add to list. You might want to, of course, choose the list that you want to add this specific item to. And of course, that's going to be the Amazon wish list. All right. And again, hover down to your profile icon and go to the specific list that you're looking for. And that's going to be the Amazon wish list. And voila, there's the items that you want to view your wish list on the Amazon app. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.